What if I told you that in a world completely dominated by mirrorless cameras, one company is still preparing a serious DSLR? Sounds impossible, right? Well, according to multiple industry rumors, Pentax could be working on the long-awaited K-3 Mark IV, a camera that might become one of the last flagship APS-C DSLRs ever made. Today, we're diving into everything we know so far: the leaks, the rumors, the expected specifications, and why this camera could be incredibly important for photographers who still love the optical viewfinder experience. To understand the excitement around the K-3 Mark IV, we first need to look at what happened to its predecessor. The Pentax K-3 Mark III was considered one of the most advanced APS-C DSLRs ever built. It offered excellent image quality, strong weather sealing, impressive ergonomics, and one of the best optical viewfinders in the DSLR world. However, in 2025, reports started appearing that the K-3 Mark III had been discontinued. Shortly afterward, photographers began speculating that Pentax was preparing a replacement. Since Pentax remains the only major brand still fully committed to DSLR development, the possibility of a new flagship APS-C DSLR immediately grabbed attention across the photography community. For many photographers, the K-3 Mark IV isn't just another camera. It represents the future of DSLR photography itself. The strongest rumor comes from respected Japanese photographer Kimio Tanaka, who has previously shared accurate Pentax-related information. According to comments attributed to him, Pentax is preparing what he described as a serious and interesting DSLR, intended to replace the K-3 Mark III. While no official specifications were mentioned, those comments were enough to reignite speculation about a K-3 Mark IV. Since then, multiple rumor sites have suggested that Pentax is actively exploring a successor for its flagship APS-C line. It's important to note that Pentax itself has not officially confirmed the K-3 Mark IV. Everything we discuss from this point forward should be considered rumor and speculation. One of the most talked about rumors involves a completely new APS-C sensor. Many industry watchers believe the K-3 Mark IV could feature a modern backside illuminated sensor, often referred to as a BSI sensor. Compared to traditional sensors, BSI technology generally improves low light performance, dynamic range, and overall image quality. The expected resolution is somewhere between 26 and 32 megapixels. Pentax may choose a balanced approach rather than chasing extremely high megapixel numbers. This would allow better high ISO performance while still delivering plenty of detail for wildlife, landscape, and commercial photography. If these rumors prove accurate, the K-3 Mark IV could offer a noticeable image quality improvement over the current generation. Perhaps the biggest criticism of Pentax DSLRs has always been autofocus performance compared to modern mirrorless cameras. This is why one of the most exciting rumors involves a completely redesigned autofocus system. Some reports suggest Pentax may introduce a next-generation SafeFox autofocus module, potentially called SafeFox 14. If true, photographers could see significantly improved subject tracking, better face detection, faster focus acquisition, and stronger performance when photographing wildlife or sports. Autofocus is arguably the area where Pentax needs the biggest upgrade, and many fans are hoping the K-3 Mark IV finally closes the gap. Now here's where things get really interesting. Several rumors suggest Pentax could experiment with a hybrid optical viewfinder concept. Instead of abandoning the traditional DSLR experience, Pentax may try enhancing it. The idea would be to keep the optical viewfinder while overlaying additional digital information directly into the viewing experience. Think of it as combining the best parts of DSLR and mirrorless technology. Such a feature could give photographers more shooting information without losing the natural optical view. It would also help Pentax stand out in a market where most brands are moving in the same direction. There is currently no solid evidence confirming this feature, but if Pentax manages to pull it off, the K-3 Mark IV could become one of the most unique cameras on the market. Speed is another area expected to receive improvements. The K-3 Mark III already delivered respectable continuous shooting performance, But rumors suggest the Mark IV could push even further. Photographers are hoping for burst rates in the range of 13 to 15 frames per second, along with a larger image buffer capable of handling extended RAW shooting sessions. A larger buffer would allow photographers to shoot longer bursts without slowdown. Combined with a faster processor, overall responsiveness could see noticeable improvements. For wildlife photographers and action shooters, these upgrades would make the camera significantly more competitive against modern mirrorless rivals. Historically, Pentax has never focused heavily on video features. However, rumors suggest the company recognizes the evolving needs of modern creators. The K-3 Mark IV could potentially offer oversampled 4K recording, higher frame rates, improved video autofocus, cleaner HDMI output, and better audio controls. While Pentax is unlikely to compete directly with Sony, Canon, or Panasonic in video production, even modest upgrades would be a welcome improvement. Better video capabilities could make the camera more appealing to hybrid photographers and content creators. One thing almost everyone expects is Pentax's legendary build quality. The K3 series has always been known for extreme durability, and there is little reason to believe Pentax would change that formula. Rumors point toward a magnesium alloy body, extensive weather sealing, dust resistance, freeze resistance, and professional-grade durability. For outdoor photographers who regularly shoot in rain, snow, deserts, or harsh environments, this remains one of Pentax's biggest advantages. Leaks also suggest modern workflow upgrades. Many photographers expect dual memory card slots, possible CF Express support, faster USB connectivity, improved wireless transfer options, and better smartphone integration. Battery life should remain excellent thanks to the DSLR architecture. Unlike many mirrorless cameras that constantly power electronic viewfinders, a DSLR can often achieve significantly longer shooting sessions on a single charge. That advantage alone remains a major reason why many photographers still prefer DSLRs. This is where things become less clear. No official launch date exists. Current rumors suggest a possible late 2026 announcement window, although some insiders believe development could take even longer. Pentax tends to move more cautiously than larger camera manufacturers, so delays would not be surprising. Until Pentax makes an official statement, every timeline should be treated as speculation. If the K3 Mark IV arrives as a premium APS-C DSLR, industry watchers expect pricing somewhere between $1,800 and $2,300. That would position it as a serious enthusiast and professional tool rather than an entry-level camera. Considering Pentax's niche market position and lower production volumes, a premium price would not be surprising. The Pentax K-3 Mark IV remains one of the most intriguing camera rumors today. While most brands have fully embraced mirrorless systems, Pentax continues to support the DSLR experience. Rumors suggest a new sensor, improved autofocus, faster shooting, enhanced video capabilities, and possibly new viewfinder technology. While these features are unconfirmed, Pentax has stated that it is still developing new DSLR cameras. If the K3 Mark IV arrives, it could become the most advanced APS-C DSLR Pentax has ever made. Would you choose the K3 Mark IV over a mirrorless camera if it launches this year? Let me know in the comments, and don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on notifications for more camera rumors, leaks, and updates.